Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to peel for your support as a tank in Overwatch. Positioning awareness. Stay mindful of your support's positioning and be ready to intervene if they are under attack. Body blocking. Use your large hitbox to physically block incoming damage or threats from reaching your supports. Shield management. Prioritize deploying your shield to protect your supports from incoming enemy fire. Threat assessment. Identify and prioritize threats to your support such as enemy flankers or divers. Communicate threats. Use voice chat or quick messages to alert your team about enemy threats targeting your supports. Peel abilities. Utilize crowd control abilities like stuns, boops, or slows to disrupt enemy attacking your supports. Cooldown management. Manage your cooldowns effectively, saving them specifically to peel for your supports when necessary. Distract enemies. Draw attention away from your support by engaging enemies and creating a diversion. Positioning adjustments. Adjust your positioning to intercept enemies attempting to flank or dive your supports. Map awareness. Utilize map features like corridors or high ground to intercept and deter enemy threats. Target priority. Focus on eliminating or forcing retreat of enemies threatening your supports before engaging other targets. Flanker awareness. Maintain awareness of your enemy flankers like Tracers or Genji, who often target supports. Predict enemy movements. Anticipate where enemies will attack from based on map knowledge and enemy positioning. Ultimate awareness. Be aware of enemy ultimates that can threaten your supports and be ready to counter or mitigate their effects. Team coordination. Coordinate with your team to focus fire on enemies diving your supports to quickly eliminate them. Use cover effectively. Encourage your supports to position near cover and utilize it yourself to minimize incoming damage. And that's how to peel your support as a tank in Overwatch. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.